ॐ रामरक्षां पठेत् प्राज्ञः पापग्निं सर्वकामदां शिरो मे राघवः पातु बालं दशरथात्मजः. If there is one person who comes near and probably stands equal to the heights reached by Rama, it should be Bharata. There are many claimants to this post. Lakshmana too was very close to Rama. He also went through all the troubles like him. Lakshmana too sacrificed personal life for a longer period than Rama. So he too is a strong contestant. Sita's plight is unparalleled. We pity her more after her abduction. Her suffering during those times were much more than Rama's. Unlike Rama, who had Lakshmana and later Sugriva to console him, Sita was all alone in Lanka. Her troubles never seem to end in Ramayana. But Bharata has a special place. Rama had to go to exile because it was forced upon him. For some reasons, Sita and Lakshmana followed him. But it was Bharata who volunteers to be in that state. What is commendable is that he did this while being the caretaker king. That the country remained safe and improved its condition while Rama was away speaks volume about his efficiency. Bharata was offered the throne by his own mother, but he rejected it. He did not have much reverence towards his mother. That is clear in the enquiry he makes to the messengers who come to take him back after his father's death. After learning what transpired in his absence, he had to win everyone's trust back. Bharata had to prove every time that he was not part of conspiracy which his mother led. Bharata comes down heavily on his mother, but is careful not to take action against her, as Rama would not have approved it. He even stops Shatrughna from punishing Manthara, citing the same reason. Even saints like Vasistha and Bharadwaja try indirectly to see whether he has any inclination to be the king. He comes out clean with a single-minded devotion towards his brother. The biggest challenge for Bharata was to convince the common people that he was with them. Therefore, he takes the public along with him to convince Rama. There is an interesting sloka in Ramayana where Rama, while having bath in early morning, tells Lakshmana how difficult it would be for Bharata to go to river in these times. Commentators say that it was because general public of Ayodhya would avoid looking him in early morning as he was considered bad omen, being responsible for sending Rama away. This constant need to prove himself must have troubled Bharata all the time. Every action of his was scrutinized for any hint of wrongdoing. Any mistake, unintentional also, would have been magnified. Suspicion was written large among public. When Rama comes back and openly praises his rule, Bharata must have been a happy man. Kaikeyi wanted Rama to go away for 14 years because she thought her son would take complete control of the system by then. She also believed that people would forget Rama in such long absence. But Bharata ensured that general public did not forget Rama even for a moment. Bharata demonstrates how children have to pay a big price for the mistake of their parents. That he carried on royal duties effectively while being completely detached from it, alone qualifies him to be in par with Rama. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यां परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।